females live a little bit longer than the males. She'll live anywhere between about 6 to 8 years. They're extremely fragile. If you were to drop her right now, if I was to drop her, she would bust like an egg. So she's real cautious and aware that she's elevated off the ground. They do have fangs. Her fangs are actually quite large. They're about that big. So she could bite, but she's, I'm not small enough for her to eat, and I'm no threat to her. She has 8 legs. Those 2 that are in the front there, those are not legs. Those are what they call feelers. She lives on the forest floor, so she uses those a lot just to feel her way around. They have itchy guard hairs, which a lot of people are actually allergic to, and will cause like an irritant or a rash if you handle them. A lot of the natives in South America actually used to dust their bows and arrows so that they could inflict a little bit more of a pain. But she doesn't have any bones and muscles. She actually walks using kind of like brakes in a car, and pressure, kind of like your heart or something. She uses pressure and pumps fluid into all of her limbs. She's got little tiny beady eyes. If you look real close on top of her, that white line that kind of runs horizontal, right there in the pink, there's 2 little beady little eyes. Back here in the back, you can see in her back, she's got these other 2 little feelers in the back, those darker colored things. Those are actually a decoy for predators.
Come quietly.